Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing whether or not, and we've discussed this in other videos, whether or not vaccination is going to become a requirement for visa extension. Let me be clear, this is not a requirement right now. And those who are even talking about this, especially in the government, I'm pretty upset with folks that are just hinting around and I don't know what the right word is. Are they trying to, front run this, try and figure out, what the response would be and sort of gauge that, but there's been a lot of talk about this overall issue. In fact, a recent article from the Pattaya Mail, pattayamail.com, article is titled, Thai Authorities Attracted by Compulsory Vaccination Possibilities. And I've done another video on this, and we've talked about this hinting at maybe requiring this stuff or making it a requirement to go to out in public, which I really don't like the way. I'm not pointing out Pattaya Mail on this one. I was reading that from ASEAN Now, which they were translating from the Thai press. I really didn't like how it was put out there. It was kind of put out there like, well, this is a foregone conclusion, from the press. Well, it's not a foregone conclusion, and quite frankly, I think it's a terrible idea, and I've done video on that and for a bunch of different reasons. I just don't think it's a good idea at all. The other thing is, or the point of this video, I'm going to go ahead and quote just a small excerpt from this. I urge those watching this video, go check out Pattaya Mail and see that article again. Thai authorities attracted by compulsory vaccination possibilities. Quoting directly, the notion of non-vaxxers being refused extension of stay or renewal of annual visas is clearly not off the future agenda. I would dissent a little from the use of the term clearly not off the future agenda. I don't think it's clearly on the future agenda. I just think it's a bunch of people talking, and frankly, I think the folks in the government that are talking this way, I just don't like seeing it because I have real problems with the underlying issue. But also, if people aren't really serious about doing this, let's not even bandy it about. It's serious stuff to talk about, and it really puts a lot of expats out here in a very concerned position because, they want to know if they can maintain their status, and there are people that have concerns, health concerns, religious concerns, other concerns about, undergoing certain types of medical treatments and things or undergoing certain new requirements in order to maintain their status. And for this reason, let me be clear, this is not a requirement yet. It is not I shouldn't even say yet. This is not a requirement now. Do I think it will be? I don't know. Is it possible? Well, anything's possible. Should it be? My opinion, no. But is it possible it could happen? Possibly, but I'm not seeing anything yet that leads me to believe there's going to be a major policy change. However, we will keep you updated on this channel as the situation evolves.